While no single fruit can detox the kidneys on its own, incorporating a variety of fruits into your breakfast can contribute to overall kidney health by providing hydration, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Here are 5 fruits that are beneficial for kidney health and can be incorporated into your breakfast. 1. Berries. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients beneficial for kidney health. Antioxidants. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage cells and contribute to various kidney disorders, including chronic kidney disease, CKD. Low in potassium. One concern for individuals with kidney issues is potassium levels. Berries are relatively low in potassium compared to other fruits, making them a suitable choice for people needing to manage their potassium intake. High in fiber. Berries are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for kidney health, especially for individuals with diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Hydration. While not a substitute for water, berries do contribute to hydration due to their high water content, which is beneficial for kidney function. Versatility. Berries can be easily incorporated into various breakfast options, such as yogurt parfaits, smoothies, oatmeal, or simply enjoyed as a standalone snack. 2. Apples. The adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds true when it comes to kidney health. Here's why. Fiber. Apples are a rich source of soluble fiber, particularly pectin. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of diabetes and heart disease, both of which are risk factors for kidney disease. Vitamin C. Apples contain vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant activity can benefit kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Hydration. Like berries, apples contribute to hydration due to their high water content. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function, as it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Low in sodium and phosphorus. Apples are naturally low in sodium and phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly snack option for individuals with kidney issues. Versatility. Apples can be enjoyed in various ways, such as sliced with nut butter, blended into smoothies, or added to salads and oatmeal for extra flavor and nutrition. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit that offers several benefits for kidney health. Hydration. As its name suggests, watermelon is primarily composed of water, making it an excellent hydrating fruit. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function, as it helps maintain optimal blood flow and flushes out toxins from the body. Lycopene. Watermelon is a rich source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives it its vibrant red color. Lycopene has been associated with reduced inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, potentially lowering the risk of kidney disease. Vitamin C. Like other fruits, watermelon contains vitamin C, which supports immune function and helps protect against cellular damage in the kidneys. Low in potassium. Despite its sweetness, watermelon is relatively low in potassium, making it a suitable option for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Refreshing and versatile. Watermelon can be enjoyed on its own as a refreshing snack, blended into smoothies, or added to fruit salads for a burst of flavor and hydration. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only tangy and delicious, but also offer several benefits for kidney health. Citrate content. Citrus fruits are rich in citrate, a compound that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by binding with calcium in the urine, thereby reducing the risk of stone formation. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant activity may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Hydration. Like other fruits, citrus fruits contribute to hydration due to their high water content. Adequate hydration is crucial for kidney function as it helps maintain optimal blood flow and promotes the excretion of waste products. Low in potassium. While some citrus fruits like oranges are moderate in potassium, they can still be included in a kidney-friendly diet in moderation, especially for individuals with well-controlled potassium levels. Versatility. Citrus fruits can be enjoyed in various ways, such as juiced, segmented into salads, or simply eaten as a refreshing snack. 5. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit known for its sweet and tangy flavor, and it offers several benefits for kidney health. Bromelain. Pineapple contains bromelain, a mixture of enzymes with anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, potentially benefiting individuals with kidney disorders. Vitamin C. Like other fruits, pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, which supports immune function and helps protect against cellular damage in the kidneys. Hydration. Pineapple contributes to hydration due to its high water content, aiding in kidney function by maintaining optimal blood flow and promoting waste excretion. Low in sodium and phosphorus. Pineapple is naturally low in sodium and phosphorus, making it a kidney-friendly fruit choice for individuals with kidney issues. Versatility. Pineapple can be enjoyed fresh, grilled, blended into smoothies, or added to savory dishes for a tropical twist. Incorporating these fruits into your breakfast routine can provide a delicious and nutritious start to your day while supporting kidney health. However, it's essential to remember that individual dietary needs may vary, especially for those with existing kidney conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations tailored to your specific health needs and preferences.